It is summer in the desert. Today we're talking about AC filters. One of the most common calls that we get is a no cool. AC vendors go out and oftentimes they'll say, hey, this filter clearly has not been changed in quite a while. AC filters should be changed every 30 days. We've got Chris, our maintenance coordinator here, who's going to demonstrate. You're going to want to look for the return grate. Sometimes they're on the ceiling, sometimes they're on a wall. Identify either flip tabs or screws. We've got screws here in this one. Chris is gonna pop this old filter out. These are super simple to get out, you guys. Once you've got this down, you can pull out the old filter. The sizes are clearly labeled typically on all the sides. You can get these at Home Depot. We use the really inexpensive filters here. You can actually see through them. You can usually get a 4-pack of these at Home Depot for maybe $10, $12. As you get yourself a new filter and you go to reinstall, super important to identify the airflow indicator. Chris is gonna put this filter back in now. You can see that we've got it kind of fit up there. We install it. As a pro tip, if you go ahead and kick the AC on when you're doing this install, it'll actually pull this filter right up there for you. But even without that, you can see it's pretty easy to do. We're using Chris here for his obvious height advantage. When you're reinstalling, one other little tip that I like to do is grab the vacuum, put the brush attachment on, and just kind of clean these grates here. Just helps to make sure that flow is good, AC is working as good as it can, and you're getting as much cooling and airflow as possible out of that filter. Every 30 days, easy, simple, great way to make sure that everything is going to stay in good shape.